drive. It was painful.
Keep looking down.
Okay. Oh, wow.
Yeah, there's that big scratch right there.
Okay.
That must have been so painful, my friend.
The pain's gone.
Good. Today I have a friend of mine who got something in his eye. He was working with like drywall and cement. Tell me what you were working with.
I was working with drywall and we were cleaning the floors, so I had my little rags and I was cleaning up my buckets. And then I rinsed my towel out with the water and I squeezed it out and I did a little snap with it to clean out my rag to hang it up, and boom, got a thing in my eye.
Something went in his eye. And you're really good usually with wearing eye protection.
Yeah, from doing the saws or the grinder and the tools, and I'm playing with a rag thinking...
You would never expect that. Yeah, so you'd never expect that. So the question becomes, if you get something in your eye, what do you do? And of course, the reaction is you have something in your eye, you maybe want to try to get it out, rub it out. The best thing to do is, of course, to rinse it out with either eye wash, saline, or if in your first aid kit you have some preservative-free artificial tears, you can use these. So in my first aid kit, like if I have one in my car, they usually have like Band-Aids and bandages and stuff.
Yeah.
I always throw in a bottle of either saline or, drops or something like that. It doesn't matter what brand or anything. I'm not worried about that. But I'll show you guys what I just found in his eye.
This one, I tried to wash it out with water. I went to Lowe's to find eye wash, and they gave me their own out of the first aid kit, the spray one.
Yeah.
Sprayed it like 4 times, and I thought it felt a little better. I went to CVS, because I got back in the truck, and it was like, I can't do it again.
Yeah.
And then when CVS got their eye rinse cleaner, I had to stick my eye in a bucket. And then I got eye drops too, and it feels better and then
Well, sometimes there can be something stuck underneath your eyelid, and so every time you blink, that foreign body keeps scratching your eye. And so in your case, we had to flip the eyelid, and then there was this big chunk of,
and you had to pull it off
drywall or something like that.
Yeah. I couldn't rinse it out, nothing.
Well, so if that ever happens, rinse it out and then see an eye doctor right away if the feeling doesn't go away immediately. So
he fixed it unbelievably. It's like, oh, wow.
You texted me or called me 15 minutes ago. I was in the line at In-N-Out getting a burger. And I was like, come to the office.
Yeah.
But
thank you so much.
You're welcome. You're welcome.